Hello friends, I am your host Imran Abbas, and today we are going to show you a very beautiful site of our city Kahuta. In this video you will see the mini Grand Canyon that we used to say. Have a look at the beauty just in front of you. It's almost like the Grand Canyon. You can see a stream passing through the region, and have a look at the beauty and the mountains. These are the mud-made mountains, and the scenes are quite spectacular, and the sunlight makes it even more beautiful. And Mr. Sajil Malik is shooting the video, and what else I can say? I mean, I'm totally speechless. So we are back after a very long time, and it's very mesmerizing to see such beauty. So Sajil, how are you feeling, bro?
Superb.
We never looked at the scenes, bro. This is a pitch in the middle where people used to play cricket, but now it's totally silent all around. Quite spectacular. Here you can see the seagulls are flying. Wow. If you are living in Kahuta and haven't yet explored this beautiful valley, I think you should come here and visit this place. I mean, we have explored this. I mean, we are totally speechless. So I hope you guys will like it.